Speak right, Africa.
The sound of your voice says a lot about you. That you are happy, sad, excited, rude, polite, respectful, commanding, and on. Make the sound of your voice work for you.
Lesson 8. Intonation in polite requests. The tone with which you make a statement suggests how it will be interpreted. When you want to make polite requests, you use the right tone. The right tone sounds like a question. You may as well see it as a question tone. Here are some examples of polite requests. May I sit down? May I ask your name? Can I have more? Is it okay to leave my bag here? Do you mind watching over my sister for a little while? Can you hold my drink? Can you change the channel? Is it okay to look now? May I ask you a question? Do you mind turning around? In using the right tone, the final word in this sentence sounds like a question.
I'm your speech coach, Chris Orchard. Thanks for being part of this learning experience. Own it, use it.
Speak right, Africa.
Pronunciation tutor. In English pronunciation, note that some syllables are faint or quiet while others are loud. See how this plays out in the following words.
Daughter, day, dead, deal, deaf,
Courageous, able, dungeon.
Speak right, Africa. Speak right, Africa.